What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find your saved files on Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in Steam, or you can type in steampower.com. Typing, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Steam, wherein at the top on the right side, you will see the login button. Click on that, and if you don't have a Steam account, click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, simply click on login and then you will be logged into the Steam account. Now, after that, on the left side, you will see the button to install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is what the dashboard will look like after installing. And from here, hover to this library section and then click on downloads. From here, you will find all the games that you have downloaded. Just select a game and then click on the properties option. And after that, uh, the properties window will open, and in that properties, click on the install file options. And from there, you will find all the files that have been installed during installing this game. So this is how you can find the saved files on Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.